waddling like little tuxedoed gentlemen. Penguins might look clumsy on land, but don't be fooled. Once they hit the water, they turn into sleek torpedoes, fast, agile, unstoppable. They can dive over 500 meters deep, hold their breath for 20 minutes, and chase fish through freezing waters like pros. In the harshest places on Earth, like Antarctica, they huddle together to survive brutal cold, taking turns on the outer edge, protecting the young in the center. No flight, no claws, no roar. Yet penguins thrive through teamwork, speed, and grit. But also tough, loyal, and built for survival.